Oh, well, there's our little monkey. Look at him. He's playing the guitar. Look how cute that is, huh? Hello, hello, everybody. My name is Jordy. I'm from Spark Engine, and today we have a little video for you guys. So, a little background about this, we decided, hey, it would be cool if our users could do stuff in Discord with AI, right? So, today we're going to be making an AI Discord bot, not just any chat sort of chat GPT Discord bot. Talking this thing is going to be able to generate images, videos, and search the web, which is really cool, kind of bundled all together. And of course, it does still chat, right? So let's get right into the video. And if you guys like it, then, hit that sub, hit that like, join us on Discord. If you'd like to turn this into something else, we're going to have a part two video as well, where we're going to be adding on to this. I'm like, yeah, we're going to actually be adding more than just what we're doing today. So pretty cool. First step though, and of course you can find the guide on our website as well as in the GitHub repo here. What you're actually going to want to do is download the zip file first, right? We're going to just unzip this for now, but afterward, we're going to go to the actual Discord home page here. And so we've extracted that. Very nice. Next, what we're going to want to do is we're going to make an application. You have to go to discord.com, developer/applications, and then right here is how you make that new application, right? So if I do my bot, let's say, and we're going to click that. Very nice. We're going to add a little icon as well. I have a smiley face picked out just for this video. He's going to be such a happy little bot, right? Save those changes, right? And you know what? Let's name him Mr. Bot. Why not Mr. Bot? Because he's a Mr. Bot, right? So he's now Mr. Bot, which is really nice. But the next step, we want to go over this. The reason why we need to get this client ID. So this is the client ID of the bot. And what we're going to do is basically copy this information in. So now that we've extracted these files, we can go into the source code. And again, this is very minimal code. We enjoy when people make stuff, set stuff up without coding, right? Because it's just much easier for anybody to do it. So you're really just going to be sticking in little variables, right? That's all you're going to need to do in this video. So if we do this, what we're going to want to do is rename this .env, right? So we're going to just rename it to .env without the dot example, so .env, right? And there you have it. We're going to open this up, and here you go. So this is where you're going to be putting all your little stuff, right? So if I put in my client ID right there, now next we're going to get that bot token. So if we go back to here, we're going to go to here. So bot. And then you're going to press this reset token. So you get it again. And here is the token. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back to my little notepad, paste that in there. All right. I'm going to do Control S and save that. Got all this other junk up. Weird. Anyway, the next step is we want to log in and create an account for Spark Engine. So Spark Engine is the company. This is us right here. This took us over a year to build this platform. When you sign in, you'll come to your projects page. What you're going to want to do here is create a new project, right? So think of Spark Engine as I guess you could call it like a communication engine for AI. So you can get AIs to talk to other AIs and create these advanced systems that will help you fulfill your wildest dreams when it comes to AI and building stuff, right? So if I just do Discord bot here, right, we're going to do an empty little project. And what we have actually is in the source code itself. And there's also a link in the description in our blog for the guide as well. is our SPK file. What an SPK file is, it's a Spark file, Spark engine, right? And if we click this little button up at the top left, right, and we do upload project, right, we're going to go into our Discord bot, and here it is. So that's the SPK file. And what we can do is replace the project with it. When it happens, ready? Boom. So this is what we made. This is basically the entire AI system. You can visualize it, see it, change it up. If you want the user to have the chatbot function, right? So there's these different commands. You can get them to do whatever, the style of the images. I can just remove that actually. And there, right? And basically, it's going to be doing all these different things, these different tasks and assignments, right, for it. So what we're going to do next is go back, actually. We're going to go down here. Let me just move myself there. And we will go to API keys. So go to account, API keys, and then we're going to create a new API key. So I'll call it Discord, right? And it's up here. I'm going to copy that. And then that's the next step, right? Is we just paste that in there. Very simple. But if we go to the project ID, you can copy this project ID, and this is what you need. The final step is you need to basically copy this ID here, right? So to get that ID, you can either go to API and then copy it here, or your ID is actually up there. So you can actually go to the project like that. So I'm going to copy it here. And then I will paste that last little bit inside here, like so. Very lovely. And now the setup is complete. Now we just need to install it and run it. That's basically all we need to do, and then invite it to the server. So I will go to this here, and you want to go inside your little project, open in terminal, right click, open in terminal. And then we're going to type in npm install. So this will install the, I guess you could say, well, it's the packages, right? So think of them as little modules that do different stuff that help you out to run the thing, right? So it's installed now. Keep in mind, if you do not have Node, which that is npm, it's a Node package manager, you will need to install it. So we have a link there too for that. You can check that out, install it on Windows, whatever system you're running. And then this is the big part. This is where the fun begins, right? So now what I'm going to do is npm run start. So this will start it up. And as you can see, we got a little error here. And that's why you always follow the steps on the guide. So we have to do two things, actually. We have to first go here. And so in bot, you want to enable message content intent. And then you'll want to go down here, and you basically just want to select all the middle stuff, right? Not text to speech, but this sort of stuff here. Right. So there you go. That should be it. We should be good to go. And then we're going to go back into the terminal. Let's try this again. And voila, we did it. So we're going to go to our browser. We're going to simply type in localhost 8080. And this is basically the login for the Discord bot. And if you saw here back in our notepad, we have the username and password for this. Thing is, only you can access this since it's localized anyway. So it doesn't really matter to change the password unless you're, say, hosting it somewhere else. We're going to log in. And this is the settings. We're going to be changing this up very soon because some are quite irrelevant. But basically, you want to invite it to the server. So we're going to invite it. And here we are. We're going to add it to here. And then there we go. We're going to authorize it. I'm just going to quickly verify myself. Boom. And there you go. So next, what are we going to do? We're going to open up Discord. So I'm going to go to my little Discord app here. Okay, so now that we're in the Discord server, the bot has already joined. It's here. You won't probably see it join, but it is here. So if I go to the AI chat, I can, or whatever chat, it'll be around in all the channels unless you'd like to put it into a single channel. So here we have our little guy, /chat, Mr. Bot. So we're going to say, hey, to Mr. Bot. He looks so happy. Look at him. But give it a second, right? It's running through the system. Boom, it responds. And it's going to show you these are the commands that you can use because that's what we prompted it in that little section there. So now if I do like, let's do /image, right? Let's generate an image, right? Let's do a monkey playing guitar. Right, so it's going to then generate an image of a monkey playing a guitar. So we can even search the web, and this is very fun as well, right? So find me the top 10 fruits globally. Oh, well, there's our little monkey. Look at him. He's playing the guitar. Look how cute that is, huh? That little monkey. Mr. Bot is so nice. Or my bot. Should have named it Mr. Bot. Well, I did. But anyway, it's going to then search the web. We're going to do a final example for you, and that's the videos, right? This is my favorite little thing. And I want to see, you know what? I'm going to do the same thing. This came back, by the way, with all the results, and it searched for us. But I've always wanted to see what a monkey would look like playing the guitar, actually playing, not just an image, playing it. So, playing guitar. Here we go. But as you can see, this bot is phenomenal. It does a lot of different stuff, and you can do a lot more with it. If you'd like to edit the system, if you'd like to edit the code, if you want some help on that, just join the server. There is a lot you can do with this thing, and it is fantastic for your users. If you're on Discord, you can have a little fiesta, I guess you could say, with this bot, with all the different things it can do. And it's pretty useful when it comes to the search as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Try to keep it short, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much. See you later.
It's time for a spark. Let's go watch another video.